On live Viper 5 Max, and we've got quite a few showers and thunderstorms. You can easily see the circulation down here to our south of potential tropical cyclone number 7. It's quite possible this has already become a tropical depression. If so, it would be tropical depression number 7, and that would be moving down to the south through the Florida Keys and eventually making its way up into the Gulf of Mexico as possibly becoming Tropical Storm Gordon as we get into later on tonight and into tomorrow. We've been watching this throughout the past few days. We started talking about it last week as a tropical wave that was working its way up slowly past Puerto Rico and Hispaniola. So we've called the weather alert from now through 8 p.m. Gusty winds in some of the squalls 35 miles per hour or more. And we're seeing reports of that now from some of the thunderstorms that are moving over the water, over the ocean, but headed our direction. There is a slight tornado threat today with some of these bands, so we're going to monitor that closely. Heavy rainfall, generally about 2 to 4 inches of rain. We could see maybe 5 inches in isolated locations. Here's the latest track, excuse me, from the National Hurricane Center for potential tropical cyclone number 7, moving up through the Florida Keys as a tropical depression possibly later today, and then Tropical Storm Gordon possibly by later on tonight, and it works its way up toward Louisiana or Mississippi. Some computer models place it a little farther to the east here over toward Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. We'll have to see what happens there, but a possible landfall tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning. So here are some of the rain bands that are coming in right now, mostly just showers. And you can see some heavy rainfall in the West Palm Beach area down to Boynton Beach and Boca. Scattered rainfall up to the north here along the northern Treasure Coast. It's a good line of thunderstorms right here that I'm watching that could swing up and clip Boca and Delray and Boynton within the next half hour or so. Still pretty far offshore, but this rainfall is moving at about 45 miles per hour. So